What is up, guys? Jason here from Garden State Koi. I'm going to be doing some maintenance vlogs for you guys, teaching you guys the tips and tricks of our maintenance team here at Garden State Koi. And today I'm taking you on our job site today. We're at a giant natural pond with 2 waterfalls spilling in, fed by a natural spring. Unfortunately today the waterfalls are not running, but maybe one day we'll get to see that. I'll give you guys a look. We're gonna be installing a PS10 aeration system and 70 plants into the larger pond down at the basin. So I'm gonna be teaching you guys how we do things around here, and hopefully you guys enjoy my vlogs. A little about myself. I graduated from SUNY Brockport with a bachelor's degree in environmental science. I've been with Garden State Koi for about a year now. I worked here last summer, and Tom Smith, he asked me to come back after I graduated, so I'm here now and happy to be with the team. Working for Garden State Koi is great. This is all planted up. We planted this about a month ago, mulched it, the whole 9 yards. This is fed by a spring right now, but there's gonna be some large pumps pumping water down through here, underneath here into this nice natural pond that we planted a few months ago with some native plants, cattails, pickerel rush, and some sedges. You can see the lilies coming up that we planted. Beautiful, gorgeous feature here. Nice beach over there. We installed this PS10 Aeration about a month ago as well with all those other products. So we got Corey, Mel, and Gary planting up the lower pond over here. Corey's deadheading the plants over here.
Hey.
Corey, what are you doing right now?
I'm deadheading plants, cutting off all the dead pieces, and pretty much just like a haircut for a plant. Just trimming it up, making it look prettier.
Beautiful. So right here we have our Airmax sled. We're gonna be taking these right here. Comes in multiple pieces. These are the bottom of the sled right here. They slide right over this. And then you're gonna screw these on right here. I'm gonna screw these bad boys on. Make sure they're about hand tight. You don't wanna crank them down and break any plastic or anything like that. And then right over here, we have our PS10 system. So we got our weighted air line attached to our compressor right here, clamped down. We usually use the poly tubing and trench it down to the ponds. This is a little bit of a different scenario. So we're gonna be interweaving it between the rocks and burying it so the customer can't see it. Roberto's down there right now. He's attaching the 2 lengths of weighted air line, and we're gonna get in the boat over there, swim out to the middle, and drop this sled right in the center of the pond. Alright, so we just got the sled out there in the middle. It's cranked up. We're testing the compressor right now. Over here. It's working good. I'm gonna throw that cover back on. I'm gonna check the pressure gauge and tell the customer so they know if there's any issues arising that there's more pressure. Yeah, we're gonna bury this airline right here down the edge, hide it from the rocks. Over here we got the other half of the crew putting in the plants. They're staging them around the edges so they make sure that it's gonna look nice and beautiful once they're all in. They're still deadheading the plants, so we want to make sure we get the best quality plants in for all our customers. Corey, what's going on?
Another day in the life.
Working hard?
Hard.
Oh yeah.
Planting.
So we're all done with our plants all the way around the edges of this lovely pond. And that's a wrap for today. Thank you guys for watching my first vlog here on the maintenance team. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and share to your friends. Peace.